Hey everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I will be sharing with you a fall themed shoebox for a girl 10 to 14. And I thought it would be fitting to share this one as my first shoebox for 2024 because we just had our Canadian Thanksgiving this past Monday. But first off, before I show you this fall themed squirrel shoebox, I wanted to give you a quick update on my daughter Holly. Last week in my last video, I talked a little bit about what was going on with her. This past Sunday, she had another episode, and so we had to take her into the hospital. And then Monday, which was our Canadian Thanksgiving, we had to take her to the pediatrician. I wanted to clarify something that I had said in my video last week about her, about me asking prayer for her. It's not the seizures themselves that are our main concern for her, as well as the doctors. The doctors and our main concern is that because she is so young, my daughter is 6 years old, any child under the age of 10 can experience brain development issues later on in life if they're having seizures at such a young age. So that is the main concern that we have and that the doctors have, and that's what I'm specifically asking prayer for, is that her brain continues to develop and that there is no harm that comes to her through her brain developing. So I just wanted to kind of clarify that. That's something that we've been learning about, when there's a child having seizures, there's just a lot of different things you have to learn that we were never aware of before. But I also wanted to say thank you so much for your prayers and your comments in your last video. Even my husband was reading them, and he said that, you've got a lot of good people in this community, and he's definitely right. I really appreciate your prayers, and I know they've been working, because when we took her to the pediatrician this past Monday, we were given some insight into why they think these seizures are happening. And we had never heard them from any other doctor before. So because of what this pediatrician is thinking, we are going to be taking her to a neurologist pretty soon. I also wanted to quickly say, for anyone that may be watching from Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, anyone that's in the pathway of these hurricanes, I can't begin to imagine the fear and the thoughts that have been going through your minds. I'm so sorry for all of you, and I'm praying for you all, and I hope that you're staying safe and that you're comforted. So now I will open this shoebox here. I decorated the lid. Everything I put on this lid is put on with sticky tack, so she could take it off and color this pumpkin or use this as a bookmark. And then I'm not sure if you can see, but I put these little gold foiled stickers on this card here. There's a little squirrel by the deer, and it says, "Fall for Jesus, he never leaves." So I thought that was a really cute fall saying, and I hope it encourages her. I think we all could use that kind of encouragement right now. All right, so here's the inside, what it looks like. I did a orange, blue, and gold theme. Now I'm gonna start right off with this. I'm gonna take this out of the bag, but I wanted to show you. This is Nuts the Squirrel from 1999 McDonald's toy that is still in its packaging. Remember when everybody thought they were gonna get rich later on in life from these? So I'm gonna do this live and I'm gonna open this, but I got this for $1 at a Value Village. So I'm not going to leave it in the packaging. I'm going to take it out. But I just wanted to show you that it was brand new in the packaging. But yeah, so here we go. Here's a toy from 1999. And I hope that he finally gets to have a little friend. So he's going to get used finally. All right, that's the little squirrel friend. And then here, this is a Dover coloring book. I have been using them for a while. I found them back in 2020. I was looking for a yellowish bird coloring book for a bird book or a bird shoebox that I did back in 2020, and I've been using them a lot ever since. They have little like sticker books and little coloring books, but yeah, I've been using them for a while. I love this. This could really be a book too. There's lots of information about each of these pages. I love this one with the mama bird. Like I said, this book reminds me of my 2020 yellow themed bird box I did. But yeah. And then I put one of these howtodrawforkids.com. I got this from Pinterest, but it's how to draw a squirrel. So she could have that. And then I have for her one of these, like, it's a ball, but it's also a fidget. You can pop it and then you can push and pop them back up. And then she's got this cute little pouch. Inside there's a lot of different things. I've given her some of those gold foiled letter stickers that I used for her little saying. She's got some of these skateboard stickers that are in the fall theme. And I even included some like of the realistic fall pictures. There's a little squirrel there. So lots of different stickers for her to use. I've given her some of this baker's twine. And here is her keepsake. There's a little heart and charm, or heart and cross charm on here. And there's also a little bird there. And then the last thing in her pouch here, she has this little toy, and I will get to the doll in a minute, but I thought this was cute for a fall theme because who doesn't love a warm drink in the fall? So there's a little coffee maker with the pot that you put in here, and then this could be like a, you know, like a pumpkin spice latte, and then of course she's got to have her oversized Stanley cup. So I will get the doll in a minute. She's a bit further down the box. And then this is a bright orange tote bag, great quality. I love that they can wash these if it gets dirty. And then I did 2 fall themed shoe boxes back in 2021, I believe. And I had used these in their shoe boxes and I had one left over. So I'm finally using this last notebook that I got back then. And then I gave her some of these realistic stickers. I love the squirrel there. She has a blue, it's not navy, I'm not quite sure what shade of blue this is. It's almost like a bluish green t-shirt. It's very soft, but it is a little bit thin. So I gave her a tank top to wear under it, and these are both ladies size small. I picked these up at my local Giant Tiger in the clearance section. She has a solar powered calculator for school. And then because fall time, the days get shorter and it gets darker earlier, I thought it would be nice to add a flashlight and then some extra batteries that are taped together. And here's the little doll that goes with the coffee set. There we go. I got her to hold her pumpkin spice and her Stanley. All right, so the other reason why I gave this young girl a doll was because I'm including a sewing kit. I just added this Velcro in. She can cut this up and use it to make little outfits for her doll if she would like to, or use it for other things, of course, but she has everything in here that she needs. I also slipped in a few band-aids in case there's some accidents, but this is a nice sewing kit that I got off of Amazon during the Amazon Prime deals. And this is just wrapped with a hair tie around it. So I'll show you this next. This is her 3 pairs of underwear, a menstrual pad, and then a cute nail clipper set, and then there's 5 fabric quarters in here. So she could use them for whatever, but she could also use them maybe to have fun and play with her doll and create little outfits for her doll with the Velcro and everything. And then she has this fun, sparkly, sequenced pouch, and I just added a little mushroom for the fall theme. It's like one of those little mushroom pins. Inside she has a sharpener and washi tape, and then she has another washi tape with a cute eraser, and another one, an orange eraser, 3 ink pens, and then a bunch of colored pencils for her fall coloring book, and then some cute little sticky notes. And then to go with her school supplies, she has another sharpener. There's a scrunchie in here, and then a little cute squirrel. I've given her one of these little bird whistles. These work well, but you have to put your finger over the bird's beak and blow out of it, because that's how you get the sound, but it's a really nice soothing sound. I'm gonna try and put a picture in here demonstrating how to use it, because it took us a little while to figure it out. This is no sewing, no ironing, instant hemming adhesive tape that I thought might be useful with her sewing stuff. Her pencils, I kept them in the box because they're pre-sharpened and they go with her color scheme. Her soap, I will put this in a Ziploc bag. And then for Christmas last year, my daughter bought me some things for my OCC shoe boxes, and this is one of the things she bought me. These adorable little resin animals. There's so many different kinds of animals that you can buy like this. They're so cute, and I just put 3 in there that go with her color scheme. But I thought that was sweet of my daughter to buy those for me for Christmas. Toothbrush, compact mirror, her scissors. Oh, and there's the soap saver for her to use for her soap. I gave her 5 of these zippers, and her adorable little squirrel notebook. I like how the inside has leaves. I love fall themed shoe boxes. And I just gave her one of these little postcards that can be encouraging. Her comb. And then this is really cute. This is kind of transitioning into the next season. She has this pumpkin postcard with our picture on it, and I will write on that when I repack this. But I had to give her this. It's 2 little squirrels in Santa hats. I thought that was so cute. So kind of a little insight into the next season. All right, that is my fall themed shoebox with a squirrel emphasis for a girl 10 to 14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having a great day or a great evening. And I'd love to hear what you liked about this box or what your favorite things were. And like I said, I hope you're all doing well. Take care.